How to log out from Outlook app. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Outlook or Hotmail application and you need to log into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see the home page of Outlook or Hotmail. So in order to log out from this, you need to first tap on the profile icon or the Outlook icon in the top left corner, and you'll be able to see the settings option in the left bottom corner. You have to simply tap on that. Here you'll be able to see the mail accounts option where you'll be able to see your Outlook account. You have to simply tap on that. You have to scroll down to the button where you'll be able to see the delete account option. So you need to be informed that in Hotmail, delete account means a process of signing out. Going for deleting an account is not deleting your account permanently but signing out of your device. So simply tap on delete account option and go for delete. And by doing that, you'll be logged out of your Hotmail account. So by following this simple step, you can log out from Hotmail app. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.